Hello everyone, this is Pravi Fiber signing in with yet another video. So as you all know, for a motovlogger, the camera setup is the utmost important thing. Even if you are not recording your voice but still want to show a POV shot of yourself riding a bike, or you want to place any other angles of the camera, so the camera setup becomes the most important. So in my previous video where I had unboxed my new camera, that is Insta360 Ace, I also showed how it can be mounted on the helmet, basically the chin mount setup. So in this vlog we're gonna just go a little ahead of that and cover the part that is the next important step in a motovlogging setup, the mic setup. Let's begin. So basically I've divided this content into 5 or 6 different parts where I will be covering each aspect one at a time. So the first aspect of that is the mic positioning. So what I mean by that is you will need to understand the position of your camera's mic adapter and the mic adapter port. So in this setup you see that it's on the left side, which means that once the mic setup is done, you will need the pin side of the mic or the wire to come out on the left side, because your camera's ports are on the left and the adapter is on the left, which means that you will be able to set up the mic on the right side. So you will see the dead cat here, that is the mic. I will cover that in detail in a bit. So the positioning depends on the camera's adapter and the ports. Now coming to point number 2, what all accessories will we need for this complete mic setup? So as you know, helmet, the camera, and whichever camera you are using, you will need a mic adapter for it. Most of the cases when it is a GoPro, you will need a media mod. That's up to you. So since I have an Insta360 Ace, what I need are the mic adapter, TRRS to TRS pin, and the mic itself, which is a TRS pin, and the mic. The mic is the Maono AU400. This is Insta360 Ace, and you know the clamp setup with the chin armor mount. So those are the accessories that you will need for the complete motovlogging setup. Well, now let's talk about the third point, which is the trickiest point, is the fitment of the mic. So as you know, this Maono AU400 mic comes with almost a meter length of wire. So how that goes in is, so you will need an helmet with a removable padding, and mine is the Axor turbine. So every padding, that is the cheek padding, the head padding, the neck padding, every one of these will come out and it can be just unbuttoned. So what you will need to do is unbutton them fully and then wind the wire of the mic in a fashion that it's not visible outside or it's not hanging anywhere outside. The next part that we already talked about is that the pin of the mic comes out on the left side of the helmet. So the mic itself, if you can see it here, the mic itself comes on the right side of the helmet. We have placed it near the cheeks, so just underneath the cheek pad. And what we have to keep in mind always is that this dead cat is used to prevent wind noise. Of course it cannot be zeroed down, but it is just to prevent wind noise. So the useful tip here is to talk with the visor closed. So this is to another step to avoid the wind noise. And we are not going to place it just below the mouth, because we'll start hearing the breathing sound or the coughing sound, however it is. So it's best to keep it on the cheek pad, either left or right, depending on your camera's adapter availabilities. So now comes the part when you are using the helmet without the vlogging setup, or you just want to not want to use the camera setup and all. So what happens to this dangling wire? What happens is, now see the magic. it goes into the cheek pads, and nobody will even know that you have a mic setup inside. So no wires visible. When you want it, just pull it out, stick it up in your camera, and you're ready to go. The next topic is about the camera settings. So in camera settings, you will have to go to the part of external mic gain. In most of the cameras today, you will be getting this option, and this option is to make your wind noise as less as possible so that your voice is clear enough to be heard. So anything that is below 0 will do the job. Please don't set it at anything above 0, because this is just going to pick up more wind noise, and it's going to distort your voice, which is going to make the audio unusable. So set it to anything below 0, and you will have to run some trials to understand which suits you the best. So set it anything below 0 and get the job done. So that's it, folks. We're done with our motovlogging setup. Very quick and short, useful video for anybody who is trying their hand in motovlogging. So if you have any questions, please drop in the comment section down below, and I will try to diligently answer them to the best of my knowledge. Happy motoring, stay safe. This is Pravi Fibers signing out. Ciao. See you in the next video.